everybody, how you doing? Need a little bit of protection in your life? I got something just for you. I'm just gonna put these on here. This is for my protection. I'm not leaving no fingerprints on nothing of yours. What I have here is the, I believe it's called RUUF, but that's how I pronounce it. RUUF. It's a waterproof, rugged hard case. You could store anything like your guns in there. Maybe you got some drones or like me, cameras. There's 4 latches on the sides. It's got 2 holes. You could put a master lock from Home Depot on if you want to really protect your protection. You open it up, you got a whole bunch of customizable foam that I have my GoPros on this side. One of my Sony cameras are being used, obviously over there. This is another Sony camera. Underneath, there's another thick layer of foam. So you could bounce this thing around and you're being protected no matter what. It's also waterproof. It has wheels, so you could wheel it. I actually stack a couple of things with my MacBook Pro and my tripod. I'll show you all in a little bit. I got a little errand to run. So again, waterproof, rugged, foam inserts that are customizable. There's a couple master lock holes. You can store things like guns, your cameras, drones. It's crush proof, very rugged. It's got 4 latches to make sure it's nice and securely shut. There's 2 handles, one on the side, one on the front. It's priced at $139.99. The dimensions are 22 by 19.7 by 10.4. And like I said, I got a couple errands to run. So I got to drop off an old friend of mine on his fishing trip. But before I do that, just give you a quick demonstration of how I pack this up here. So I got my sun pack, tripod. Boom, that's right there on this RUUF case. Got my MacBook Pro, laptop bag, boom, good to go. Now, I got this rugged, waterproof, very nice case. Throw in like so. Or maybe I should probably put you in first. All right, so wait a minute. Let's put you in, huh? It's all in my head, huh? I'm crazy, huh? All right, well, let me see who's crazy now. Get in there, miserable. Okay, and we got this here, like so. Now, go to www.amazon.com and you just type in RUUF waterproof case. I'm pretty sure that comes up. If you're an Amazon Prime member, you go ahead and you get that shipping for free. So bada boom, bada bing. It's a beautiful thing. I give it a 6 out of 6 stars. So go ahead. If you need anything like this, go ahead and buy it from Amazon.com. And I'm not being paid for this. This is something sponsored by myself. I decided I really like this product, so I wanted to put this together for everybody. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you all later.